channel, and today I have this Fortnite sniper rifle. It is not the best gun. It's cool, it's fun, it just doesn't have power. Today I have my little brother with me. He is behind the scenes. I'm going to be shooting him, and he is a shield. So this one, it does have a jamming. It's just not the best, and it kind of doesn't work. It has a removable part. If you load it, you have to press it down too. Terrible. Terrible. Oh, that one was actually okay. Terrible. Yeah, so it's not the best. Next gun I'm going to be viewing is the Fortnite SMG. You can probably, I got this one at Target and the last one at Walmart, so they're basically everywhere. But this one, it has some removable front, removable back, removable back mag. Got some power. Pretty good, actually. It's not the best. It doesn't have a lot of power. That one, not the best. But I like the removable parts. The next one of the best. Honestly, it comes with a scope. One of these things. And I got it from Amazon. So I just have a 35 mag on me right now. So I'm gonna put that in. You have to manually turn it on. Batteries go here. It has full auto, which is really fast. That one jammed. So all you have to do, push the scope a little off, open the hatch. Oh. Wow. That bullet just got destroyed. But too bad. So really good power. Is that it? Yeah. It's really good. It has this is removable. This isn't, sadly. I give this one a really good rating. It's pretty good. Next one of the best. Honestly. This thing is range. It fires great. Like, watch this. Easy. Honestly, it has a moving scope. Let me come up and show you that. Moving scope, so you can move it and you can lift it. I have nice. I'll shoot my helper. Walter. Okay, I'm out of bullets. The final best gun out of all Nerf guns, in my opinion, don't have to agree, the Nerf Infamous. So great. Right now, 25 mag is what I have. You hear that click? It is loaded. It has a great jamming door. It has really good firing. And it's powerful. So, coolest part, when you're out of bullets in the battlefield, in a Nerf war, not the battlefield, you can load them into here. You gotta load 2 for the initial click. Then it goes straight into the mag, so you have more bullets to full auto. That watching. Please like and subscribe. It'll really help.